to have a baby.
How many mothers are here?
We have very many people in
We
this
want
hospital.
our mothers to be
And everybody
discharged.
is going to be taken care of. We have outpatient here that is still ongoing. And people are receiving all the treatment that they are supposed to be receiving. That everything has been taken care of. And everything has been paid for by the county government of Kiambu.
Currently, all these bills have been waived. All the bills have been waived.
Yeah.
There is no bill.
Yes.
But we are in the process.
When was it?
We are in the process of.
Atumia acio maikarite guku mieri 3 na he angi maingirire guku mweri wa 2 ungirora fomu ino uria yandikitwo haha Ruiru Level 4 Hospital bill cases from January 2026 to June 2026 maritwa ma mothe a Naomi a Sylvia na mbeca iria magirwo gukorwo makiriha na ukona na nini ngukuite mbeca iria magirwo gukorwo angimarihira nigetha mainuke ungiona muciari wothe okite haha agaikara mieri 3 4 5 atari arekio ni ndu wa biru ndirakigio kumarihira biru niki